Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you have big Scrabble fans in your house? If you do, then you want to upgrade and make your game night a more unique experience with this beautiful Scrabble board. This is from One Emerald Lane, and you can see all of the attention that was paid into the details, making this game truly unique and beautiful. The board itself rotates, making it really easy. You can play from 2 to 4 players, and it has that beautiful white wood design with gold etching, and you can place the tiles securely in each square. All of the components of the game are exactly like traditional Scrabble, except you get a more unique and beautiful experience. I really appreciate that even the notepad is made with a finer, thicker weight paper, and all of the pieces also have that beautiful white feature. So you have your tile holders, you have a beautiful, well-made, thick fabric bag to hold all of the tiles, and the tiles, as I mentioned, are beautiful as well. Being a big Scrabble fan in my house, I'm super excited not only to play this with my family, but also to play it with company that might come over. And how much nicer than when you pull out the beautiful box that this comes in and they see this beautiful game board. It will truly make playing Scrabble, playing games, a more fun family experience. And that's my point of view.